Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq and SPX 500 price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. We're gonna see, of course, the daily close for Nasdaq and what it might happen next. So basically today in the intraday, I mentioned, of course, that we might, of course, rebound from this area after an ABC zigzag. This is exactly what happened. We saw a kind of an impulsive wave toward the downside. Now, in the 1 hour chart, it looks very impulsive, right? But on the 15-minute chart, I really don't see it very impulsive, because of course I see a lot of overlapping here. But still can be, of course, it's still of course a possibility. 1 2 3 here can be a wave 4 and a wave 5. And the wave 3 is still longer than wave 1. So basically it can be, of course, an impulse. Now the reaction that we see exactly here after it, and we were saying, okay, we have to be careful around this area. It has to be retested, right? And here we go. We are testing the things right now. If we see 5 waves up, 3 waves down, continuation toward the upside, this is, of course, your bullish scenario is unfolding, right? Currently, what we are looking at here can be, of course, considered even 5 waves up, right? It can be, I know it can be double 1, 2. But also at the same time, you can consider this as an impulse toward the upside. What do I mean with it? A 1, 2. Wave 3, shorter than wave 5. It is an extended wave 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And that because we can see the wave 4 probably here did not invalidate the zone 1. Let me check exactly. I think it did touch it exactly. Let me check. Oh, okay, it took it. So therefore, okay, this scenario, sorry guys, is not, of course, one of them. Therefore, it is double 1, 2. Okay, so double 1, 2, then we are looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 3, then 4, 5, 4, 5. Meaning, if we continue to climb toward the upside here in 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, because this is what you need first here, and you need a double 4, 5, that means, of course, this might be an impulse. If it will be confirmed with triple 4, 5 almost toward the upside as an impulse, and we move down and we continue higher, broken, yes, this is our confirmation, okay, for moving for higher. To say 100% we are moving higher, of course, it is not. The probability is still very high for lower, okay, we still very high probability for lower. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 continuation, because everything works like exactly as we are expecting, unless, of course, we're gonna see this test succeeding towards, of course, a bullish scenario. Okay, so this is how we're gonna treat it, guys. So currently, we still need, of course, data. We still need to see continuation for higher as confirmation for an impulse. Okay, we are 50% bullish. Then, of course, if you get correction and you continue for higher, okay, we are 70% bullish. 80% bullish, 90% bullish, you take the high. We want to see continuation. The 10%, of course, is for an expanding flat A, B, and a C left, okay? So if we pass the fib level for a wave B, but it's too early right now, guys. I don't want to overwhelm you, okay, with the scenarios. But yes, so there are still possibilities even there to be bearish, but yeah, we're gonna wait step by step. Currently, the highest possibility is still bearish, okay? We are still much more 65%. We still, of course, bearish because you didn't finish an impulse first, and everything is confirmed here as corrective, and we move down, so everything's still working perfectly. If you take the low, yes, even much more potential that we move towards the line. The probability comes even higher again for the bearish. That is regarding the Nasdaq. Let's see SPX, actually US 500. And in this case, yeah, I mean, here there is no doubt with SPX that we are in a wave 4 currently, unless, of course, something else is reversing. And it is much nicer here in SPX because we can simply have invalidation of bearish, yeah? So meaning, if we continue for higher, because you are in potential double 1, 2, the same as Nasdaq for 5, 4, 5, and we reach this is your confirmation that there is nothing bearish anymore. Okay, so this is here, can be even much better, I would say. Can we do the same on Nasdaq, by the way? Well, no, not really, because this looks like a finished impulse, and this is a difference. This is the difference, guys. The difference between the two scenarios, right? Therefore, if we see simply continuation directly by taking the low, yeah, definitely we're back to the track. We still, right now, by the way, we're still with the direction toward the downside. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, so both case scenarios are still, well, even here, you can have even a scenario like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finish, but if this is the case, though, definitely we're continuing towards the downside because this is a confirmed impulse, despite, of course, this move for higher. However, the confirmation for bearish is over there. This is kind of like 90% directly that, okay, nothing is bearish, okay? That was it for Nasdaq, guys, for the daily close. Everything is still, of course, as expected. We are testing the area. We said, of course, this area is going to be hit and it's going to rebound. And this is what is happening. Now we are testing and we're going to, of course, tackle it step by step. Higher possibility still for lower. We're going to see this. All right, so that was it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, guys. See you in tomorrow in the new live stream, of course. And trade safe always. Bye-bye.